Let me show you 5 best camera settings and tricks on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So first we're gonna start with the settings for the phone, not for the camera. Right here we can go to System, Sounds and Vibrations, and then you can find the system vibration. Make sure that camera feedback is disabled. What it does, it basically makes your phone vibrate when you take a photo. And if you're using a Pro mode with high camera shutter speed, it will make your photo blurry, as your phone will basically move when taking that photo. So I would suggest to disable it. And maybe it will improve your photography. And then next thing that we'll do is set video resolution for our video recording. So go into video right here and select this icon in the top right corner of the screen, and that way you'll be able to enable Ultra HD mode, which offers you higher resolution for video recording. It will also take much more space when you record videos that way, but they will look very good. Also, it changes the FPS, that means the refresh rate, or just simply how smooth the videos are, into 30, which is not great. If you want to have smoother videos, you can go for Full HD with 60 FPS, but that way the quality will get worse. Next thing that we'll do is enable video stabilization, where we are in the video settings. So click on those 4 dots, select the gear icon, and then enable video stabilization. Now this will help you to capture videos and they will be stable. That means you won't see your camera wiggling all the time when you record those videos. Next thing is the HDR. So in this case we're gonna change to the photo. Because it's supported in the photo mode. We can click again on those 4 dots, select the settings, and then you can find Auto HDR. Make sure that it's enabled or disabled. Some people like HDR, some don't. So you can disable it by default. It is normally on, so you can disable it. And next thing we'll do is the Pro mode. So we can find a Pro mode for your camera on this A57. Simply click on more options, and there's Pro mode for standard photography and Pro mode for video recording. This allows you to basically customize many different settings which normally aren't available. So you can change the ISO, which is the brightness. You can change the shutter speed that I've talked about during the vibration. The shutter speed basically opens a camera lens and then allows as much light as possible to get into the lens, and then you will take photo. Putting it on the right, that means on the 10, will make it very bright for your photos, so they will work best if it's very dark outside. But at the same time, it will take 10 seconds to capture a photo. Your phone will, your camera shutter will remain open for 10 seconds. If you move your phone a tiny bit during that process, the quality will get worse. So for normal photography, you should keep it around something like 130, 120. You can also adjust the exposure right here. If you select it, you can change it. It also applies the shadows and lights, so you can set it however you like. There's autofocus. I would keep it on autofocus. You can of course change it manually, but this will make your photos worse if you don't know how to adjust that focus options. And lastly, there's white balance. You can also change it right here. And that would be 5 of the settings, including the Pro mode, for the camera. And that is everything. Thanks so much for watching.